We're really excited about our partnership with CloudNC. As we discussed the drawings, the 3D model already contains rich manufacturing data. So why then do you still have to manually select toolpaths for even the most basic of parts? Well, now you don't. Again, this is the kind of low-value work that AI is so good at. CloudNC harnesses AI so you can upload a 3D model of any part and in one click automate toolpath creation, meaning you can spend time on the complex, high-value projects that differentiate your shop's capabilities. Customers using the add-in are seeing up to 80% reductions in programming times. Let me say that again, that's an 80% reduction. This is the disruptive technology we promised, it's what we all need to remain competitive, and it's what we're committed to delivering to you.